This is Angelo Jackson with Code Racks. Kanye West praised for helping community leader Larry Hoover sentence. Kanye West has been thanked for his role in helping convict gang leader Larry Hoover have his sentence commuted by President Donald Trump. Speaking to TMZ, Hoover's son, Larry Hoover Jr., praised the controversial rapper's role in bringing the situation to Trump's attention. He said he had a very big part because he started it all off. He puts us on a platform. He took us to the White House on this platform when he didn't have to do that. Cooper Jr. added, "We know he don't have a problem with sticking his